What's going on, guys? Back to another video. So today we are back here at Changi Carpark 7. We haven't gone out on the kayak for a while, so this will be refreshing. I love going out on the kayak. So I've seen a couple guys on like real kayaks going out already. So we're gonna try to pack up, try to get out as fast as possible. So this time we are going to explore new spots like the rocks on the other side of the jetty. We're gonna go get the boat ready and tie it lines. Okay guys, we've got the anchor secure. It was a rough ride on the way here, and yeah, now we're secured. We're gonna start fishing. So we got some Crusader Tenya. We're gonna try them out today. We got the 90-gram Crusader Tenya because our rods are not that light. We will start hooking up our baits and we're gonna start fishing soon. Live pond here. I'm gonna take off the tail. So this is nice presentation by Crusader Tenya. Yes, just like that. I'm gonna try to drop it. I think we should drop it this way. We're a bit shallow. I'm just gonna see how deep it is. I think it is doable depths. Okay, we're gonna try out this spot first. Guys, we got a squid here. Got a squid. Oh, squid. We're gonna try to scoop it. Yes! Woohoo! Guys, this is a ginormous squid. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys. This is a big squid. Okay, we're gonna put that in the water. It might spray ink. Oh, I don't think it has ink, guys. Guys, this is a big squid. I don't care about my hand. It doesn't bite squid, so this is a big squid, guys. Ginormous squid. My mom is asking me to be careful, but I do not know how to be careful in front of calamari. You just smash them. Very big squid. Look at it. I think I killed it. Yeah. The color's fading away. It's dead. So this will be very good calamari. Just look at this size. I feel like it's bigger than those in the supermarket. We'll either use it as bait or use it as food. But I think we'll use it as food because like we've got plentiful bait. This is big squid. Ooh, first catch of the day. Okay, there's fish on. We were trolling the... Oh, big fish! We were trolling the Tenya and the everything else, and we caught, I think it's a pelagic. Oh, barramundi! No! Yeah. Throw the anchor down. Shit. Yeah. Fuck. 对。它一跳，那个钩就出来了。Oh shit. Oh, guys. That was massive. A massive barramundi. Oh. I guess the jump was... Yeah, it jumped twice, trying to get the hook out, and in the end it succeeded. I'm gonna try to get it back. The bottom. As we're eating lunch, we're still trying to get that barramundi. Yeah, man, I really want that barramundi. So hopefully we get it. 水性好好呀。Okay, so current update, we have left the rock spot and now we are at the jetty. We don't know how long we are going to stay at the jetty though. We might move to drifting around the blue barrels a bit later. So we still haven't landed a big fish. I do not know if we are going to land a big fish. Hopefully we do. And yeah, it's been pretty tough today. Hopefully you get some fish. Another fish! I think... Oh my god! Oh! Queen fish!
Oh!
Oh! Guys! Yes! I think it's a queen fish. Oh no! I think I'll let it tire out. Oh, holy shit. It's a queen fish. Oh my god. Okay, I think we'll tire it out. It's so big. Yes. Yeah, no. Okay. It's so feisty. Oh my god. Okay, scoop it. Go in and yes! That's a huge queen fish. Yes! We lost the barramundi, but we got ourselves a queen fish. Holy! Yes! Okay, hold it up so it doesn't pop off. Okay. So I'll be getting my lip grip. Yeah, this fish is good fighting. Yeah, it's a very strong fish, queen fish. Ah, yes. Should we lift it in? Yeah, let's lift it in. Like, put it here. Sit it down. Okay, let's put the... Holy... I think the big hook got him, but the big hook popped off, so it's just a small hook. That was dangerous. The big hook got it here, popped off, and it was only the small hook. It took the Crusader Tenya. Crusader Tenya seems to be working quite well. I get why so many people like it. It caught us the barramundi that we lost, and also this huge boy. Huge mama queenfish. Okay, wait, let's take a picture. I think we are going to keep him as our fridge, as I said, our fridge is super empty. we need some fish in it. Whatever fish it is. Holy! Can you see this? This is huge. Like, we were starting to lose hope. But, oh, hey, this is a huge queenfish. Holy mackerel. Queenfish, look at this. Okay, let's see what we'll do. Guys, that was huge. The take was just so sudden. It was just like rod suddenly bending. And oh, hey, that's a huge queenfish. Oh. So current update, it's around like 3:30. My mom really wants to go back, but I don't know about myself. We got a couple prawns left. I wish to finish them, but the bite rate has slowed down. I'm not sure if we'll get another fish. Hopefully, if we get 3 like gamefish, that would be really nice. So yeah, I don't really know what will happen. We could go back or we could get another fish. So we'll see what happens. These are the lucky like 10 prawns. See, there's one baby one too. Those are like not as lively. But we're going back. We've got our fish and now we are heading back. Oh yeah, 对。对。Hi guys, and that has been a fun trip. It was a trip of gamefish and strategy. We had to move a lot and it was really tiring, so we had to move a lot, really. We moved all the way to the rocks and back on a hand-paddled kayak. It was really tiring. We caught a big queenfish. It was really unfortunate that we did not land that barramundi. I think the thing we learned that Crusader Tenya is effective, but the thing is you have to set the hook real hard. So it was all on my mom's Crusader Tenya, and I don't know if she set the hook that well. So next time I might try Crusader Tenya myself, and we'll all be sure to set the hook really well. So right now we're packing up, we'll be leaving. That was a nice trip. We're gonna come back in the near future, catch more fish. So before that, sideline.